Dr. Mrs. Lavilla Balbis Tatahan. Good evening. In this video, I would like to present and explain to you the kidney working model that I made an hour ago. So, let's go. So as we all know, our kidneys has a significant contribution in our body. So the function of the kidneys is to remove waste and extra water from the blood as urine and help keep chemicals such as sodium, potassium, and calcium balances in our body. So the kidneys also make hormones that help control blood pressure and stimulate bone marrow to make a red blood cells. So now, let us know their functions. So let's start with these two kidneys. So the kidneys perform many crucial functions including maintaining overall fluid balance, regulating and filtering minerals from blood, filtering waste materials from food, medication, and toxic substances, creating hormones that help produce red blood cells and promote bone health and regulate blood pressure. So but how the two kidneys differ from each other? So the key difference between the left and right kidneys is their position and size. So the left kidney is slightly larger and higher in position than the right kidneys. So the kidneys are a pair of organs that lie on the either side of the vertebral column and in the posterior abdominal wall underneath the diaphragm. And these renal veins carry filtered blood from the kidneys to the posterior vena cava, while renal arteries carry unfiltered blood from the aorta to the kidneys. And these narrow tubes called ureter carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. And this is the bladder, is a triangle-shaped hollow organ located in the lower abdomen, and it is held in place by ligaments attached to the pelvic bones, and the bladder was relaxed and to expand to store urine and to contract and flatten to empty urine through the urethra. And this tube called urethra allows urine to pass outside the body. So how does our kidneys work? So the blood enters the kidney through an artery from the heart. So the blood is cleaned by passing through millions of blood filters. And the waste materials passes through ureter and is stored in the bladder as urine here. While newly cleared blood returns to the bloodstream by the way of veins. And when the bladder becomes full, the urine passes out of the body through the urethra here.
Uy, tarong og tubag, okay ra gyud ka lab. Pag sordi ha dili baya kain na sukat karon lahi na. Nakagrabe pa ni gwapa og samot niya, nagkalami pa.